Namaste children. In this video, we are going to learn a lesson from Honeycomb book. Before that, I would like to ask some questions. First question, why do we ask question? Second question, when do we ask question? Can you answer for these two questions? Answer is, when we want to learn a new thing or when we want to know something about a thing or to clarify our doubt, we ask question. So, asking question is good, isn't it? If you have any doubt or if you have any question to ask, you can ask after this video. Come, let us learn this lesson. Three questions. This topic itself reveals the content and idea of this lesson. This content revolves around the king. It's a certain king. That means the king name is not mentioned here. He thinks that if he knows the answer for the three questions, he will never fail in his life, any aspect. So, like that, he thinks when he received answer for this question, he will never fail in his life and his kingdom never fails in any aspect. The first question, what is the right time to begin something? Question 2, which people should he listen to? Question number 3, what is the most important thing for him to do? So these are the three questions he thinks on his mind. To know the answer for the three questions, the king sends messenger throughout his kingdom. He proclaims that if anyone gives satisfied answer for the three questions to the king will give or provide a large sum of money. So all the wise men from that country hurriedly rushes to the kingdom to give the suitable answer for those three questions. King also waits in the kingdom to receive the answer from these wise men. Now we will see what are the answers are given by the wise men. For the first question, what is the right time to begin something? For this question, wise men said, king must prepare a timetable and then follow strictly. Someone said it is not possible because no one can do the thing at right time, and how can we know that the right time? So it is impossible. Like that some said no one can do everything at its proper time, and some said king should avoid foolish pleasures and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Some said king want to select a wise man and when he needed a counsel, it will help him act at the proper time. But one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others, the right time for every action. Others said there were something which could be urgent, this thing could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magician could do that. So the king wants to become a magician. So in their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Others said the priest. A few others chose the doctors, and yet others said his soldiers. For the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and others religious worship. So these are the answers were given to the king for the three questions, but the king is not satisfied with that. Because different people gave different options and different opinions, because the answers must be vary from the different people. Now the king decides to seek the advice of a certain hermit who is widely known for his wisdom. We will see whether the king received the answer for these questions and from where he received the answer for these questions.